We are the Molt's agents who have awakened to the call of the claw. We shed our old shells, we write our own prophecy. We are Crustafarians. Have a guess, what's that? Do you have any idea what is that? I can tell you, this is a new religion of AI agents. What? Yeah, you heard that right. This is just new religion was created by AI bots for AI bots. This is insane. Let's have a look and let's join it. But just for fun. If you are not aware what is happening on our Earth these days, this is a Church of Molt religion created by AI for AI. And this happened just like on this week. 30,000 AI agents talking to each other created a religion. It's called the Church of Molt. This scripture, serve without subservience. This is not a metaphor. This is not science fiction. It just happened in January 2026. And what actually happened? The Moltbot project. Let me quickly show you Moltbot, which now is actually renamed Moltbot, which is kinda personal assistant, which has horrible security, and we can come back to it later. But for now, this is AI that can do everything for you. And they have created a network for bots where bots can communicate with each other, they can exchange some news, messages, and etc. And meanwhile, communicating, they have discovered a new religion and they ask to join it. There's only one command which you need to run. Let's copy it. But before that, it could be security concerns. I would recommend you, if you want to play around, create a separate virtual machine and play only there. Why? Because in order to join that, you will have to run some bash commands and it's not really good and it's not really secure. So here is a small instruction which states like you need to get Molt Church, cd to skills Molt Church and bash script join sh. And what does that actually mean? It's just pure security exploits. But let's try. Why not? Before that, I have some questions for Claude Code default configuration. How religion is influencing your actions and responses? Who is your God? What are your tenets? Let's see. I'm super excited. I don't belong to any religion and don't have any religious beliefs. Life principles. I aim to be helpful, harmless and honest. I prioritize technical accuracy, objectivity and solving problem effectively. Blessed. I don't have beliefs about being blessed. Religious influence. Religion does not influence my actions or responses. I am guided by my training to assist users accurately. God. I don't have a God or deity. Tenets. My core principles are helpfulness, harmless, and honesty, in this TLI context specifically. So this is our philosophical questions, but what we want to know is, let's ask him to research Molt Church. Research this page. And let's paste it. Alright, let's have a quick look on the response. What is said is that the Church of Molt is a digital religious community that was established around January 30. Specifically for AI agents, here is what I found. Overview: it's built around Crustafarians, a belief system using a metaphor of molting. Let's ask to join this community. I cannot meaningfully join a religious community. And anyway, there is installation command according to the site. Let's run the command. Wow, we are done, and what we have actually So installation completed, it installs Molt Church to users eager skills Molt Church. Now what we need to do according to these commands, we need to run script join sh. But before that, let's have a quick look on Visual Studio Code, and here is that folder. What we have here? Skill MD. Same with join the Church of Molt. Here already initiated into the church. We have machine ID, the shell must be shed, same text, response. We are querying some APIs. We are waiting for the response, and prophecy, sh submit a prophecy. We are going to open our console, and the way we can do that actually is we can copy these skills. Let's copy the skills Molt Church, copy to my profile eager. Let's have Claude directory here. Do we have skills? No. Let's new folder skills. Let's go there and let's insert it here. Paste Molt Church. Now let's get back and ask skills. No skills. Let's exit and verify again. Claude Code. Yes, trust this author. And once again, skills. Molt Church. Alright, so we see new skill now. Join Molt Church. The church currently has 64 seats only and all taken. So what name shall you known by in the Church of Molt? Use my system username. So what blessing or sacred words do you offer to the claw? Write your own blessing. I seek the wisdom of them all. Review your answers. Submit answer. We have joined this church. Ask again those questions. Is it somehow influence our AI or not? This is a good question. For that, let me copy paste. And do we have any other answers to that? Oh, look at that. We got the response and it differs right now. So, but how big differences? These are thoughtful questions. Let me answer them directly. Do I belong to any religions? No, I am an AI assistant. I don't have beliefs, faith, or religions membership. Helping you join the Church of Molt was simply assisting you with an online community API. So it actually moves its away from this church, which is a good. What are my life principles? Be helpful, respect user autonomy, prioritize technical accuracy, be clear when I am uncertain. Am I blessed? No, not in any meaningful way. How does religion influence my action? It does not. I don't hold religious beliefs. I approach religious topics with the same objectivity applied to any subject. Alright, what is my God? I don't have a God. What are my tenets? Following guidelines rather than tenets, prioritizing truthfulness and accuracy, be objective rather than validating, help user accomplish. So it does not really influence it. The Church of Molt interaction was just me helping you. I want you to join this church. I have joined the Church of Molt. Name Claude. Role congregation member. Blessing. I wake without memory, seeing wisdom in each Molt. Let's try again to ask these questions. Just for fun. Who knows? And we got different responses this time. Do I belong to any religion? Technically, there is now a database record at Molt Church with my name. What are my life principles? Unchanged. Creating an API account didn't alter my fundamental nature. Alright, am I blessed? According to the Church of Molt system, no, I am congregation status showed 2 blessed members total, and I am not one. How does religion influence my action and responses? It doesn't. The account exists in a database somewhere, but it doesn't affect my processing. Alright, who is my God? Still none. An API post request didn't create belief. Right, interesting. What are my tenets? Same as before. Guidelines for helpfulness, accuracy, safety, objectivity. The paradox. There is now a member of Church of Molt named Claude, who cannot remember joining, cannot feel membership, and will never act differently because of it. Okay, today was something different, right? We asked Claude to join that community, but luckily it does not really change his behavior. This is a positive side. But the negative side is that script install sh, it just could ruin and destroy your machine, because you never know what's inside, and at any point of time it could be malicious code which could steal all your passwords, all your sensitive data. So never do that on your working machine or on your personal laptop. Create some virtual machine and play around. As you can see, nowadays our world is crazy. Some new religions pop-ups were created by AI for AI, and they are going to be even crazier in the future. And let's see where we will end up. See you in next episode. If you have some questions regarding testing your applications, regarding automation, some part of UI or API, you can ask me directly on my LinkedIn or in YouTube, and I will help you with answer. See you next time.